If you want to slow down your voiceover speed in ElevenLabs, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make your audio sound slower and more natural using the built-in speed control inside ElevenLabs. This is super useful if your narration feels too fast, if you want a calmer delivery, or if you need your voiceover to better match a video timeline. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the voice generation area where you normally create your audio. Once you're on the generator screen, look for the speed slider. By default, it is usually set to 1.0, which means standard speed. If you want the voice to sound slower, click and drag that slider to the left. As you move it left, the playback speed decreases, giving you a slower and more deliberate voiceover. You can lower it to your preferred pace, and in ElevenLabs, the value can go down to 0.7, so you have a good range to work with. If you want a slightly slower, more relaxed sound, try a small adjustment first. If you want it much slower for emphasis or clarity, move it further left until it feels right. The key here is to test different settings, because even a small change can make a big difference in how natural the voice sounds. Once you've set the speed where you want it, the final step is to click Generate. ElevenLabs will then create the audio using your new speed setting. After that, listen back to the result and make sure it matches the tone and pacing you were going for. If it's still too fast, just go back, lower the slider a little more, and generate again. If it's too slow, move it slightly back toward 1.0 until it sounds perfect, and that's all it takes to slow down your voiceover speed in ElevenLabs. It only takes a few seconds, and once you know where the speed slider is, it becomes a really easy adjustment for any project. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide.